In this video, we'll cover what you can expect to be paid as an air conditioning and refrigeration technician, the education required, and what you can be expected to do while at work. Air conditioning and heating systems play a critical role in controlling the temperature, humidity, and air quality within residential, commercial, and industrial buildings. Essential items such as food and medicine rely on refrigeration to prevent spoiling. Skilled technicians are responsible for the repair, maintenance, and installation of heating, air conditioning, and refrigeration systems. How much money can you make as an air conditioning and refrigeration mechanic? Air conditioning and refrigeration mechanics get paid anywhere from $37,270 and less for the bottom 10% of workers to more than $84,250 per year for the top 10% of earners, according to the Bureau of Labor Statistics for 2023. The median wage was $57,300 in May 2023. Most of the HVACR technicians work at full-time positions, which may require evening and weekend hours. During peak seasons for heating or cooling, HVACR technicians can be requested to work overtime or irregular hours to help customers get their systems up and running after they break down. Obviously, working overtime will increase your hourly pay. Current job opportunities. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, the employment of heating, air conditioning, and refrigeration mechanics and installers is projected to grow 6% from 2022 to 2032, faster than the average for all occupations. About 37,700 openings for heating, air conditioning, and refrigeration mechanics and installers are projected each year on average over the decade. Many of those openings are expected to result from the need to replace workers who transfer to different occupations or exit the labor force, such as to retire. Education. While a high school diploma or equivalent may be the minimum requirement for many entry-level positions, obtaining formal education through a vocational school, community college, or technical institute can provide a solid foundation. Some of these vocational programs even take individuals lacking a high school diploma. Look for a program specifically focused on HVAC, heating, ventilation, and air conditioning, or refrigeration technology. Training programs. Consider enrolling in an apprenticeship or training program offered by trade associations, unions, technical schools, or HVAC companies. These programs often combine classroom instruction with hands-on experience under the guidance of experienced technicians. If accepted into a union apprenticeship program, you'll be paid while learning. Certification. Although not always mandatory, obtaining certification can enhance your credibility and job prospects. A certificate of achievement can be secured in an HVAC and refrigeration technical school in 2 years or less, shortening the period from entering school to getting a full-time job. After your first semester in a technical school, you could seek a part-time apprenticeship job with a local HVAC contractor. The most widely recognized certification for HVAC technicians in the United States is offered by North American Technician Excellence, NATE. Other certifications may be available depending on your location and specialization. Licensing. In some jurisdictions, HVAC technicians are required to obtain a license to work independently, but this won't stop you from working for others. Requirements vary by state or country, so be sure to research the specific licensing regulations in your area. States like California require a contractor's license in order to open your own company and require some form of prior work experience related to the trade. The work of an air conditioning and refrigeration technician. An air conditioning and refrigeration technician, also known as an HVACR technician, installs, maintains, and repairs heating, ventilation, air conditioning, and refrigeration systems in various settings such as residential, commercial, and industrial buildings. Their responsibilities typically include installation, installing new HVACR systems including air conditioners, furnaces, heat pumps, variable refrigerant flow systems, refrigeration units, and ventilation systems according to the design specifications and building codes. This includes learning how to cut and prepare copper tubing ends, including flaring, swedging, and brazing tube joints using a torch. Maintenance. Performing routine maintenance tasks such as cleaning coils, replacing filters, checking refrigerant levels, lubricating moving parts, and inspecting electrical connections to ensure systems operate efficiently and safely. Repair. Diagnosing and troubleshooting problems with HVACR systems, including issues with components such as compressors, motors, thermostats, boilers, pumps, and making necessary repairs to restore functionality. Refrigerant handling. Handling refrigerants safely and in compliance with environmental regulations, including recovering, recycling, and disposing of refrigerants according to industry standards. Customer service. Interacting with customers to understand their heating and cooling needs, providing recommendations for system upgrades or replacements, and ensuring customer satisfaction with the quality of service provided. Safety compliance. Adhering to safety protocols and regulations to minimize risk of injury or property damage during installation, maintenance, and repair activities. Overall, air conditioning and refrigeration technicians play a crucial role in maintaining comfortable and efficient indoor environments by ensuring that HVACR systems operate effectively and reliably. Where they work, air conditioning and refrigeration technicians work in a variety of environments depending on the specific job and industry. Here are some common work environments for HVACR technicians. Residential settings. Technicians may work in homes, apartments, and condominiums to install, repair, and maintain heating, ventilation, air conditioning, and refrigeration systems for individual homeowners or property management companies. Commercial buildings. HVACR technicians often work in commercial settings such as office buildings, retail stores, restaurants, and hotels. They may install and service larger HVACR systems to provide climate control for occupants and ensure comfort and productivity. Industrial facilities. In industrial settings such as factories, warehouses, and manufacturing plants, technicians may install and maintain specialized HVACR systems to regulate temperature and humidity levels for equipment operation and product storage. Healthcare facilities. Hospitals, clinics, and medical laboratories require precise temperature and humidity control to maintain a sterile environment and protect sensitive medical equipment. HVACR technicians may work in these facilities to install and service specialized HVACR systems. Educational institutions. Schools, colleges, and universities rely on HVACR systems to create comfortable learning environments for students and faculty. Technicians may be employed by educational institutions or contracted to provide HVACR services. Government buildings. HVACR technicians may work in government buildings such as courthouses, libraries, and municipal offices to maintain climate control systems and ensure the comfort and safety of employees and visitors. Construction sites. During new construction or renovation projects, HVAC technicians may work on construction sites to install piping and HVACR equipment according to building plans and specifications. Outdoors. Some technicians, such as HVACR system inspections, maintenance, and repairs, may require technicians to work outdoors, especially when servicing rooftop units or equipment located in outdoor enclosures. Overall, air conditioning and refrigeration technicians can expect to work in a variety of indoor and outdoor environments, encountering different conditions and challenges depending on the specific job and industry. They must be prepared to adapt to different work settings and follow safety protocols to ensure their well-being and the efficient operation of HVACR systems. If you like that video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.